In a world where digital communication has become an essential part of our lives, data privacy and security have become major concerns. Traditional encryption techniques are vulnerable to hacking and interception, but a new form of cryptography has emerged that is virtually unbreakable: quantum cryptography. Quantum cryptography uses the principles of quantum mechanics to create a secure key exchange between two parties. This key is created by transmitting quantum particles, such as photons, over a distance, and any attempt to intercept or measure these particles alters their state, making it impossible to copy the key without being detected. This means that the two parties can communicate using this key with complete confidence that their messages cannot be intercepted or deciphered by a third party. It's like having a secret code that cannot be cracked. Quantum cryptography is a game changer for data security. It provides a level of security that was previously impossible to achieve. With quantum cryptography, we can secure communications between banks, governments, and other institutions that deal with sensitive data. While quantum cryptography is still in the experimental phase, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate and do business in the future. Join us next time as we explore another real-world application of quantum mechanics.